welcome to my channel where I come on here to share with you my passion for all things beauty. So today I created this look using all the products that I got from my December Boxycharm box and Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. At the end of the video I will give you my final thoughts, let you know how things were throughout the day, and who I feel sent me the best products overall this month. Will it be Boxycharm, Ipsy Glam Bag, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus? Who will it be? Now if you would like to see what I got from Boxycharm and Ipsy this month, I will have both of those unboxing videos linked in the description box down below for you. Now, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So here are all the products I got this month from Boxycharm and Ipsy. Now I'm going to be straightforward with you. I am going to be using as many products as I can. However, I already know there are a couple products that I am not even going to bother opening because I know I won't use them. I would rather set them aside and add them to my next giveaway. I'm trying to go into 2021 being more selective in what I actually add to my main makeup collection. I mean, let's face it, there is only so many products a girl can use. Now for those of you who don't know, Boxycharm and Ipsy are both monthly beauty subscriptions. Each month you'll receive a box or a bag based on what your preferences are, which you do let them know by taking a short quiz when you sign up, which can be altered at any time, and reviewing any products that you do get each month. I personally get the Boxycharm base box, which is a $25 plus tax a month box that includes 5 full-size items that average around $175. With Ipsy, I get the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. The Glam Bag is a $12 a month subscription, and you'll receive at least $50 worth of 5 deluxe samples. And the Glam Bag Plus is a $25 a month subscription, and you'll receive at least $120 worth of 5 full-size products. Now, I am still debating on whether or not I should continue to get both Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus, if I should just get one of them, if I should just cancel both subscriptions. I don't know. I'm still up in the air. Do feel free to let me know what you think in the comments down below, because I would greatly appreciate it. Okay, now let's get to what I love, playing with my products. So the first product I'm going to talk about is the Grace and Stella Lavender Lotion. This is a body lotion that I have been using, and I absolutely love it, especially at nighttime. It just smells just so wonderful. Now the rest of my products are makeup, but I just wanted to make sure I did mention this because I did get this in my Ipsy Glam Bag this month, and just wanted to make sure I gave it a special spot on this video because I really do love this lotion. Now I'm going to prep my lips with Lasting Smile Peppermint Organic Lip Balm. I have been absolutely obsessed with this since I got it. It just smells so amazing. To prep my skin, I'm using Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. This is designed to be used as a moisturizer, a primer, or a highlighter. I personally won't be using this as a moisturizer. My skin needs a lot more hydration, and this does not beat my Belief Aqua Balm. However, as a primer, I am loving this. It blurs pores and imperfections while also giving me a glow from within look. My skin looks amazing, and I can so see myself wearing this with or without foundation. So this month I got 2 eyeshadow palettes. Ipsy exclusive IBY Fireside palette that is a perfect wintertime palette. And from Boxycharm, the Huda Beauty Obsessions Ruby palette, which just screams me with its ruby pink purple shades. I also got Maelle's Single Shadow from their Enchanted eyeshadow collection.
I won't be using this, so I'll be setting this aside for my next giveaway. I'm going to start it off with the light pink shade from the Huda Beauty palette as my base and place this all over my lid and up to my brow bone. For my transition shade, I'm going to use the orangey pink shade from the same palette, and I'm going to blend it out with a fluffy blending brush. Now I'm going to move over to the IBY palette and use the pinkish red shimmer shade in the crease. To apply this, I'm using a smaller blending brush and focusing this more closer to my crease. I just love how these two shades blended beautifully together. To finish this part off, I'm going to use a big fluffy blending brush to make sure I blended out all the harsh lines. This month I received 2 cream eyeshadows. The one I will be using today is the Ciate London Eye Lustra Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow in Cupid. From Boxycharm, I got the Eloise Get Lit Metallic Shadow in Pure Gold. I'm still not sure if this is something I'm going to keep, even though this does look beautiful. For me, with my hooded eyes and fine lines and wrinkles, it has made it hard to find cream eyeshadows to not give me any issues. This one, I would have to say, glided on smoothly, and it does look beautiful on the lids. Now I'm going to line my upper lash line with Wander Beauty Gel Eyeliner in Jet Black. I was so happy when I got this in my Glam Bag Plus because I just recently used up all of my gel black liners, and I have been loving this liner. It just glides on so smoothly, and it is pitch black. The only thing was when applying it today on top of the cream eyeshadow, it wasn't applying as smoothly as usual. It kept skipping and tugging on my lid. I definitely would not recommend using this on top of a cream eyeshadow. Next is Eyeko Rock Out and Lash Out Mascara. Today I'm going to use the mini version I got in last month's Glam Bag. When I saw the full size as a choice item this month for the Glam Bag Plus, I had to grab it because it is by far one of my favorite finds of 2020. Now I'm going to set my face with Ofra Pressed Banana Powder. It's a matte powder that can do it all. I'm just so happy to add this as my first Ofra product to my makeup collection. For my under eyes, I'm going to use IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Translucent Powder. I got a sample size in my Glam Bag, and I love it, just like the rest of the Bye Bye Pores products that I have. It is one of the few collections that I have yet to find a product that does not help work on minimizing or blurring my pores. Now that the rest of my face makeup is done, it's time to add some highlight. Today I'm going to use the Dominique Cosmetics Skin Gloss in Golden Dew, and I'm going to apply it with my new Bow Gotchas highlighter brush. I've been loving this brush, and I was so excited to get this highlighter because this has been on my wish list since it came out. I've heard nothing but incredible things about this product, and I will have to agree. It just looks so beautiful on the skin. Last is MAC Matte Lipstick in Chili. Now this may come as a surprise to you, but this is the first time I ever used a MAC lipstick. Ever. I'm not joking. We don't have one here in my local area, and my local Ulta doesn't sell MAC products. So I just never tried any MAC products, to be more precise. Now I will say this is a beautiful shade, but to be honest, I don't think it's the most amazing lipstick I've ever tried. It's good, but I don't understand the hype around MAC lipsticks. Oh, I forgot, I'm going to add Below Zero to my inner corner of my eyes. This is going to help brighten and open up my eyes.
So it's about 10 a.m. right now, and it's going to give me about 8 to 10 hours to do a wear test on everything. So I'm just going to go about my day right now, and then I will be in to check with you at the end of the day to let you know what I think about everything. So I'll be right back.
Okay, so it is almost 9 o'clock at night, and as you can see, I'm getting ready for bed. Overall, I would say everything lasted pretty good. There is smudging of mascara under my eyes. I normally don't use this mascara in my lower lashes for this reason. The Huda Beauty and IBY palette shades look like they lasted all day. However, the Ciate London Cream Shadow is gone, but the liner is still holding strong. My skin still looks pretty good. It looks smooth, and other than my nose area, my pores are not visible. I am the most disappointed in the MAC lipstick. Overall, I would have to say that the Glam bag was the one that is my pick for December. I'm adding 4 out of the 5 products to my collection, and I really did enjoy them. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are.
Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can let me know by clicking that like button down below. Now each week I do try to upload at least 2 to 3 times a week. So if you want to be notified each time I upload a new video, all you got to do is hit that subscribe button and notification bell down below. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Until next time, remember, be kind to yourself and to others. Bye.